Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream View channel. Now I am going to tell you about Hio 565 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 565 liters, good for large families. Compressor type, reciprocatory compressor, which is standard type of compressor with easy maintenance. Defrosting type, frost-free auto fridge defrost to stop ice buildup. Specifications. Generally in the box we get refrigerator unit, user manual and warranty card. Type, side-by-side refrigerator. Defrosting type, frost-free. Capacity, 565 liters. Number of doors, 2. Performance features, airflow type, multi-airflow. Temperature control, digital control. Number of refrigerator shelves, 5. Number of refrigerator door bins, 3. And coming to the warranty, it has 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor from Haier. Cost price, 56,650 rupees only. Please find the link in the below description to order this refrigerator, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dream View channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.